Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If you are using a touchscreen device, tablet or 2-in-1 laptop, Windows 11 allows you to enable or disable the touch keyboard easily. You can show the touch keyboard icon on the taskbar or hide it if you don't need it. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable the touch keyboard on Windows 11. To do this, first click on the Start button, then click Settings. Under Windows Settings, select Personalization in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down and click on the Taskbar. Here under System Tray Icons, you will find Touch Keyboard. Click on this one drop down menu. Here you will find Never, Always, and when no keyboard attached. You need to choose Always to enable this one touch keyboard. Once you have enabled, you will see the keyboard icon in the taskbar. Clicking on it will open touch keyboard instantly. That's it. It's very simple and only takes a few seconds. This feature is especially useful for touchscreen devices or when your physical keyboard is not working properly. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows.